What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to Smitty's. What we do here on Smitty's is truck videos, travel videos, and any other thing. So if you stick around long enough, if you subscribe, you will definitely see something that you like on this channel. This is just going to be a quick little video. I wanted to show you a cool little product that I just found. I put it on my last 4Runner, but I didn't make a video on it, but this time I want to make a video. It's these lights right here. I don't know if y'all can see those. And what these essentially do is they transform the interior of your car from that yellow, dim, ugly color to an LED. These are LED bulbs. There's two for your map lights, there's two for your rear lights, there's two for your cargo lights, there's two for your license plate lights. They give you everything in this little kit. I got them on eBay. I think Amazon has them too, but I'm no longer affiliated with Amazon. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so now that we're in our 2012 RAV4, this works for a lot of Toyota vehicles. This works for a lot of Jeep vehicles. Pretty much every manufacturer has a kit of these. They might not actually have the specific kit, but all you got to do is go on a certain website. I'll try and link it below, and you can see exactly what size bulbs you need and just buy the LED bulbs for that corresponding piece. But literally all you'll need for this job, for this car, is a flathead screwdriver, and not to use it as a screwdriver, but use it as a pry tool. So if you have a trim removal tool, buy one of those, but I don't want to waste my money on trim removal tools because honestly, you can get the same result with a screwdriver. And I have an old sock that I use to not scratch up my interior in my car. So there you go. I wrap it so it pops it off really easy. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do these light bulbs. All right, so I have you sit in the seat right beside me. The very first ones we're going to be doing are these map lights. It's really simple. Just put your screwdriver in the side right here. Just pry it up in there and then pull it down. And it should pop the cover right off. As you can see, it's pretty easy to get them off. If you had your lights on for any period of time, these may be hot because these are incandescent bulbs. So they use a lot of heat. LED bulbs do not use that much heat. All you got to do is just grab the bulb and then wiggle it left to right, left to right, and it should come right out. And then there's your bulb right there. Then find the bulb that matches in the kit, which is going to be a little bit bigger, and then just plug it in. If it does not turn on, these are directional LEDs. So if it does not turn on, just flip the bulb around and push it back in. But look at the difference. It's massive. All right, now that you got your new LED bulbs in, go ahead and give it a test. Now that both of them work, go ahead and put the covers back on and move on to the next one. All right, the next one I'm gonna be showing you is actually your visors, the light that's in your visor. I'm gonna be taking that out, swapping both sides. Same with that side, swapping both sides. Just again, find the little notch, pry up on it, find the bulb that matches. Same thing with that side. Put the new bulb in, test it out. If it works, put it back together, and you're good to go. All right, so the next one we're gonna be working on is this one right here. This is in the back of the car, kind of in the middle-ish, back-ish. Same thing, just go ahead and grab a screwdriver, and then this will actually have a little teeny notch. You just put the trim removal tool in that, or your screwdriver in that, and then just pry up and it should pop it out. And there's one on the other side, so it's 1 and 2. So put your screwdriver in, pull it out, put the screwdriver in the other side, and then the cover should pop right off. And then same thing, just grab the bulb. I use a screwdriver, it's easier. And it comes with a bulb like this. Just find the corresponding bulbs-ish. They look a little different. That's what they look like. Make sure the yellow is facing down because there's a yellow side and a blank side. These are actually the LEDs. The other side is just the board that they sit on. As you can see, now it is working. So here's your cover. You see the two little indents? There's an indent right there and there's an indent right there. That's where your actual screwdriver is gonna go, or your pry tool. Put the cover back on, test it again, you're all good to go. Move on to the next one. All right, so the next one we're gonna be taking out is on the rear door. This one's a little bit different. You gotta pry up here near the switch. So you're gonna pry over here, and it's gonna come out of the unit. See, now it's a unit. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take off this little grayish cover. It's connected by 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 on each corner. But if you just go straight to the center and then pry up, it'll pop off all the 2 sides and it'll expose the bulb right there. Again, find the bulb that corresponds to that bulb, which is, again, it's the same one we just swapped out. I'm gonna grab it. And it's just aluminum, so they do bend. I don't know if you can see that. Grab your new bulb. Face the yellow towards the light. And once you get your cover put back on the bulb in, just go ahead and slide it back in there. Pop it in, test function, and you see it's working. Move on to the next one. All right, so I'm at the back of the vehicle for this one. I'm gonna be changing out the license plate light way up in there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find that little crevice right there. Slide your screwdriver in it. Pry it down like that, and it slides right out. Then you're just gonna twist this bulb and then pull out the light bulb. Swap out that bulb and then you put it all back together. All right, so there you have it. That wraps up this video. There are spare bulbs in here because this kit actually works with a bunch of different vehicles. You just take what you need, leave what you don't. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please subscribe right down below and leave a like. If somebody else wants to do a little mod on their vehicle, share this video with them, show them how easy it is to do. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.